Point-of-care ultrasound's the evolution. It's the new stethoscope. It's what advanced practice nurses and CRNAs like myself are all doing. It's something that ER physicians have been doing for 30 years. And it's one of those things where just a simple, quick look can tell you more information than a 10-minute history and physical, and certainly faster than a trip to the CT imaging lab. Ultrasound and point-of-care ultrasound is so convenient. It's like having a stethoscope with you. And the CT imaging is very bulky, time-consuming, an hour away.
Even if the doctor's not in the room, if I can look at what's on the screen and have an idea about where I need to go with treatment, then it's just a better patient care.
Just an intuitive software, you can very easily navigate and see where you are in the body very quickly without much prior instruction.
It's unparalleled in its ability to not only teach appropriate imaging techniques, but also show pathologies so that people can interpret data correctly and then therefore take care of their patients better.
The software provided realistic images of what I would see at work, and I think I could take what I learned today and put it into practice immediately.
I was really amazed with how quickly we were able to pick it up just in such a short amount of time. Like I said, we went very quickly from terror to actually feeling confident behind a probe, and I wasn't expecting that from this conference.
I see 100,000 advanced practice nurses and nurse anesthetists that are needing to pick up a skill set that's going to improve their ability to provide patient care, and I see intelligent ultrasound and myself as not pioneering the way, but facilitating.
I think this is at the forefront of our profession, and I think that this is going to be the future of assessing patients day of surgery and even helping monitor intraoperatively. I think this is something to be utilized by CRNAs and advanced practice nurses across the country to improve the quality of care that they provide. And I think it's really important that we are at the forefront of that and educating people to help take better care of their patients.